Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the top 5 best cameras available right now. Whether you're into photography, vlogging, or capturing everyday moments, these picks deliver the best in performance, quality, and value. Stay tuned as we break down each option so you can find the perfect camera for your needs. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera, 2-lens kit with EF 18-55mm plus EF 75-300mm lens, black. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR is an excellent entry-level camera that's built to deliver sharp images and impressive video for beginners and hobbyists alike. It comes as a complete kit with 2 versatile lenses, the EFS 18-55mm lens and the EF 75-300mm telephoto lens. This pairing gives you everything from wide-angle coverage for landscapes and group shots to telephoto reach for capturing distant subjects. The 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor ensures high-resolution photos with rich color and detail. Paired with Canon's Digic 4 Plus image processor, the camera performs well in different lighting conditions, offering ISO sensitivity from 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800. This makes it capable of shooting in low-light situations with minimal noise. For video creators, the Rebel T7 records in Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is suitable for casual video recording and online content. It features Canon's reliable 9-point autofocus system, making it simple to capture sharp images, even for those who are new to DSLR photography. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC allows you to connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet. You can transfer images quickly or use your device as a remote shutter, which is a helpful feature for group photos and remote shooting setups. The bright optical viewfinder provides a clear view of your subject, and the 3-inch LCD screen lets you compose and review shots with ease. What makes this kit stand out is the value. It includes both a standard zoom lens for everyday use and a telephoto lens for sports, wildlife, or portraits, so you don't need to invest in additional glass right away. With intuitive controls, great image quality, and the flexibility of 2 lenses, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a strong choice for anyone starting their photography journey. Number 2. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera for Content Creators and Vloggers, black. The Sony ZV-1F is designed specifically with vloggers and content creators in mind, offering powerful video tools and a compact, easy-to-carry body. Its 20.1-megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor delivers outstanding image quality with excellent detail and low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. A fixed 20mm f/2.0 ultra-wide lens makes it perfect for handheld vlogging, capturing both the subject and background in a natural way. The wide aperture allows for bright, crisp shots and beautiful background blur, which enhances subject separation. The camera records 4K video with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring clear and sharp footage. Autofocus is one of Sony's strengths, and the ZV-1F features real-time IAF and subject tracking to keep your face in focus while moving. The dedicated background defocus button instantly shifts the aperture to create a soft background blur, while the product showcase setting ensures smooth transitions when showing items to the camera, ideal for creators who do product reviews or tutorials. Sound quality is equally important, and this camera comes with a directional 3-capsule microphone with a windscreen to capture clear audio, even outdoors. For those needing more flexibility, there's also a 3.5mm mic input. The Vari-Angle LCD touchscreen makes framing shots from any angle simple, whether you're filming yourself, recording overhead, or shooting at low levels. Built-in Wi-Fi makes transferring content to a smartphone quick and easy, allowing creators to post directly to social media platforms. Compact, lightweight, and purpose-built for creators, the Sony ZV-1F eliminates the complexity of traditional cameras while delivering professional-level results. It's an excellent choice for YouTubers, TikTokers, or anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality vlogging camera that's ready to perform out of the box. Number 3. Kodak Pixpro AZ405 BK 20MP Digital Camera 40x Optical Zoom 24mm Wide-Angle Lens Optical Image Stabilization 1080p Full HD Video 3-inch LCD Vlogging Camera, black. The Kodak Pixpro AZ405 BK is a bridge camera that delivers an impressive balance of versatility, zoom power, and affordability. With its 20-megapixel CCD sensor, it captures detailed still images that are great for everyday photography, from family events to outdoor adventures. One of the standout features is its 40x optical zoom lens, which offers a wide range of focal lengths. Starting from a 24mm wide angle, it's suitable for landscapes and group shots, while the telephoto end lets you zoom in on distant subjects with precision. Optical image stabilization ensures your images stay sharp and steady, even when zoomed in at maximum range. For video recording, the PixPro AZ405 delivers full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second, making it capable of capturing clear, high-definition movies. The camera also offers a variety of shooting modes and scene settings, so you can quickly adapt to different environments without needing extensive technical knowledge. The 3-inch LCD screen provides a clear view for composing shots and reviewing images, while the intuitive button layout makes navigation simple. This camera also comes with panorama mode, face detection, and object tracking, giving you creative flexibility. While it doesn't offer interchangeable lenses, the built-in zoom range covers everything most users would need. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and the rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides solid shooting time. Overall, the Kodak PixPro AZ405BK is perfect for beginners and casual photographers who want a powerful zoom, user-friendly features, and solid photo and video quality without the higher price tag of professional gear. It's a reliable all-in-one solution for those looking to capture memories with ease. Number 4. 64MP 5K Professional Cameras for Photography. Wi-Fi, Autofocus 16x Zoom, 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen, anti-shake with 32G card and 2 batteries, digital camera for YouTube vlogging live. Streaming, black. This 64-megapixel 5K professional digital camera is built for creators who want high-resolution photos and advanced video capabilities at an accessible price point. Equipped with a 64MP sensor, it produces ultra-detailed images with vibrant colors, making it ideal for both photography and content creation. It records 5K video, providing crisp visuals that are sharper than traditional 4K, ensuring your videos stand out with exceptional clarity. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant transfer of photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet, making it easier to share content across platforms. Autofocus functionality keeps subjects sharp, while the 16x digital zoom lets you capture both wide-angle and distant shots. The anti-shake feature ensures steady photos and videos, even when filming handheld. The 3-inch 180 degrees flip screen is perfect for vlogging, selfies, or live streaming, allowing you to monitor your frame from any angle. This camera also comes with a 32GB memory card and 2 rechargeable batteries, offering excellent value by providing the essentials to get started right away. It supports external microphones and tripods, making it versatile for content creators who need professional quality audio and stable shooting setups. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry while traveling, yet powerful enough to handle both photography and video production needs. Whether used for YouTube vlogging, live streaming, or capturing still images, this camera offers the tools creators need without requiring a steep learning curve. With high resolution, strong video quality, and convenient features like Wi-Fi and a flip screen, this digital camera is a smart choice for aspiring creators and photographers looking for performance and practicality in one package. Number 5. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Mirrorless Camera, Body-only, full-frame camera, 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, photo and video capabilities, black. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a full-frame mirrorless powerhouse designed for professionals and advanced enthusiasts who demand both speed and versatility. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor combined with Canon's Digic-X processor, delivering outstanding image quality with excellent dynamic range, color accuracy, and low-light performance. For video, the R6 Mark II offers 4K recording up to 60 frames per second oversampled from 6K, ensuring crisp detail and cinematic results. It also supports 180 frames per second full HD recording for smooth slow-motion capture. With advanced autofocus powered by Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, it can track subjects with incredible precision, including people, animals, and vehicles. Photographers will appreciate its continuous shooting capabilities, offering up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter or an impressive 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it perfect for action, sports, or wildlife photography where capturing fast-moving moments is critical. The built-in image stabilization system provides up to 8 stops of correction, allowing sharp handheld shots even in low light or with slower shutter speeds. A bright, high-resolution electronic viewfinder and fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen give flexibility for composing at any angle. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless image transfer and remote control. The robust body is weather-sealed, making it durable enough for demanding shooting conditions. With its balance of professional-grade stills, advanced video capabilities, and reliable autofocus performance, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a versatile mirrorless camera that's equally strong for photography and videography. It stands out as one of Canon's most well-rounded and powerful cameras in the current lineup. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best cameras. Each one offers unique features designed to fit different styles and budgets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.